Now I'm standing in the zone of electronic assembly and wiring. The workers stand the sensing, the power wiring, the controls, and each unit is given a separate wiring diagram. The fruit rails, the fan motor, brake heater, and other protection switches all get wired together. They follow a unit-specific, a job-specific wiring diagram, capturing every custom requirement identified by our technical team on a continuous improvement basis. This ensures each control box is complete, precise, and ready for integration into the HVAC system.